Someone was asking me if you could hide your followers and following list on your Instagram accounts. And there's really one way you could really do that. So by default, if someone clicks on your following list or your followers list, they could see who's following you and who you're following. But let me show you exactly the only option that lets you sort of disable this in Instagram. So the very first thing is on your Instagram account, click the three lines right up here, and you need to go to the settings tab over here on top, and you need to go to accounts. Scroll all the way down, and you need to make sure, switch account type, you need to make sure you're on a personal account. So if you don't see this, you're most likely on a personal account. And I'll go to my personal account here to show you what it looks like. So I just jumped in my personal account, and here it's going to say switch to professional or add professional. So I'm on personal here. But if I go back to my profile, it still lets you click and see the following and followers list. So the only way to hide it is press the three lines and go to settings here. And you need to go back to privacy on this page. And you need to change it to a private account. So if you change it to a private account, I'm going to say switch to private. And if I jump back to this account, when other people jump into this account, they won't be able to click over here to see who I'm following and who my followers are. So just to show you, I logged into a different account and I came back to this test account. See, it shows you the number, but I can't click to see what's going on here. Unless I follow this person, but since this account's private, I can't just follow them without this request option. So they're gonna get a request and they have to agree for me to follow them. So this is really the only way to hide your follower and your following list on Instagram, and I hope you found it useful. If Instagram rolls out a new option that makes it easier, I'll update this video and I'll put a new video in the first comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.